Why do 70% of gamers struggle with driver updates? Let's make it easy. First, head over to the AMD website. Click on Drivers and Support. Now, enter your GPU details. You'll see a list of drivers. Pick the latest one. Download it, and once it's finished, open the file. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to install. It's as simple as clicking Next a few times. When it's done, restart your PC. After rebooting, check the AMD Radeon software. Click System to make sure everything's updated. Done? Great. You've just installed your AMD drivers like a pro. Remember, keeping drivers updated means smoother gaming and better performance. So, don't skip this step. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Happy gaming!